Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video on this 2015 Toyota Sienna SE with the Eldorado Amerivan conversion. So I'll point out any items as I come across them as we walk around. Overall, the vehicle is in excellent shape with super low miles. This is a local trade-in for us. This is the SE package, so you have the different bumper, wheels, and fog lights as well as the grille. So it doesn't look like a traditional Toyota Sienna like this one here. It is the upgraded SE model, so lots of great looks and styling over just a basic model. Eldorado adds that nice little light there at the step, and then you've got the skirting all the way around, and then around here in the back you can see the different bumper here on the SE model. There was a little scrape that I noticed here that somebody had touched up at some point. Got the LED crystal headlights, taillights, excuse me. The different look there. Again, all part of the SE package with these nice gray rims that came from the factory that way. Overall, vehicle's in great shape, and it's got some good rubber on them. So the way this vehicle works is this is an integrated system, meaning you have the original OEM Toyota key fob, which we have 2 keys and 2 fobs, actually 3 keys and 2 fobs. So we're going to unlock the vehicle, and then we give a good press and hold onto the side door button here. That's going to start the activation or opening sequence. The vehicle will open up, the ramp will come down, and then this vehicle has a kneeling feature on it as well. If you watch right there, the rear shock is compressed to reduce the ramp angle. So even somebody in a manual chair is able to get up fairly easily. Power chairs, of course, are no problem for anything up to 15 degrees, which is ADA. And then the interior is beautiful because this is an SE model. This is the only model that Toyota offers in the black leather interior. You have the 2 OEM seats here with pedestals. And then we have an aftermarket Alpine deck that the previous owners had installed. So I'll get that turned on for you so you can check it out. This is an SE model, so you have heated seats here. But what's really nice is this model did not come with a moonroof. So you got a lot more room when you're sitting in that front passenger or driver position because you don't have the moonroof there, causing it to be lower on the headroom. So we do have 14,000 miles on here. We've got steering wheel controls, and then we've got a touchscreen system here. With navigation. 3-zone climate control. You can set the temperature. So overall, really nice vehicle. You have the backup system for the door and the ramp here. Because this is a power conversion, you want to have that backup system in case the battery's not working for some reason. And then in the event of an emergency, just like with a Braun, you can manually open up that door and then push the ramp out. And you still have plenty of room back here as well, so that's what's kind of nice in how they made the conversion there. You've got storage pockets there, and then you've got your spare tire. So they did think of a lot of different options when they were putting this one together. Brevability, Eldorado, same company. Now they're owned by VMI. They really worked and saw all the different options that VMI and Braun were doing and made their own that looks really nice and works really well. Revability, Eldorado build buses, and so they approach everything with a very commercial outlook on things to make sure that everything is strong, rigid, and works very well. So whoever gets this vehicle should be very happy with it. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Levi and Leia, our #1 fans. Thank you.